Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? We here with our first video for the project car. It's the first video for it. Give her a hand wash. Just got it a few days ago. I ain't gonna check on no videos of it. So yeah, got a few issues with it, you know. It moves, it runs, it drives, it moves. But the thing is, it stops randomly. Almost had an accident. The brakes locked on me. I don't know how it happened, but I had to brake harder to make it stop. Remote works, but it don't got no sound to lock or unlock, or to lock particularly. Trunk messed up. Not registered yet. So get there though. So runs, drives, everything. I'm gonna show I was under the hood. So I was under the hood, man. Mine is a little bit 30, the interior 30 right now. Just gave it a little wash and everything. Yeah, I'll pop the hood. I'm guessing that the engine, everything in the engine is good. The engine bay is good. Had to get a new battery for it. The old battery's in the garage. I get a new battery for it. Another problem. Some spark plugs is missing. And this one too, actually. Hold on, let me put it back in there. Right, in the fucking right way. I don't know if some of these spark plugs is blown or not. So I'm taking it to AutoZone and get it checked out. V6 under here. If I have to, I might just get another engine. I won't put a SS engine in it. I'm gonna put an SS engine in it. Cooler intake. Get a new fan for it. Get some headlights for it. Or get some headlights, wheels. Get body work done to it. Like, look at this. Get body work done to it. All this, I gotta get rid of all this. I scrubbed the car and this won't come off. This won't come off at all. All this, got some new wheels and stuff. I said that. Tinted up. Damn. Pinch it up. There's a problem with this part right here. Hold on, give me a second. Let me why does it lift up like that? There's a problem with this part right here. Every time I turn the car on, I don't know if it's gonna do it now. Look. I don't know if it's gonna do it now. Look, it's doing that. It's not raining or nothing. It's doing that. And every time I'm trying to turn it off, this and that, that's off right there. And the headlights don't work at night. That's why I don't drive it at night. Well, I drove it last night. And yeah, it runs. It's a rough start, but it runs. It runs everything. That's good. And that's the part that's messing up too. This part is messing up too. Do y'all know what this for? I don't know what this for. I got this. I found this in a glove box. So but it ain't. I don't know what this shit for. I don't know. Runs good. It runs and everything. Give her a wash. Still got a little bit of soap on it. I'm gonna rewash it later. Because I don't know. It dried up fast. I don't know if it's because of the sun or what. I'm gonna get some mufflers on her too. I'm gonna give y'all some revs. I'm gonna give y'all some revs. It's rev for you. It sounds pretty good. I don't know what I want to do to it. Okay, I tried to open the trunk too. So look what's going on. I tried to open the trunk. Key won't turn. Key won't turn nothing. I tried to try it for this side too. Key won't turn. Still won't turn. When I put it in the door, it turns. So I know it goes to this car. No shit, done. Yeah, we'll get the interior done. I put a little bit of color to the interior. The headliner are good. I'm surprised for these cars. The headliner is good. And yeah, other than that, shit, everything works except with some body work done to it. Some body work done to it. Get some new wheels. Get some new wheels. And oh, nothing. I'm just showing YouTube what's gonna be done to it, you know. Other than that, y'all gonna see a lot with this car. The oil good. That's the oil good. It's called revving. It's for the boys like. The oil is good. I don't know when next time I need an oil change. The previous owner said it been sitting for a month, and nigga ain't tell why.
We found out a lot of reasons.
Found out a lot of reasons. The coolant, got good coolant in there. That's coolant in there. We gotta get some spark plugs. Windshield wipers. Wait.
Oh, that's what my husband asked me to come out here and ask you. He said to see.
Oh yeah, no problem. Just y'all. Before I changed the battery the other day, everything was showing. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show y'all. Everything is not showing now. Y'all see this shit? The gas not showing nothing. That's not a problem I gotta fix. Turn the car on. Nothing shows. And I was thinking, it's some shit like this. It's not. It's not. Nothing. I don't know what's the problem with this car. I mean, got a lot of problems, but they all could get fixed with me. So get fixed with me, it's gonna be better than this. Be way better than this. Yeah, this steering wheel don't got no horn. Yep. Everything is fine with it. It's fine with it, but it's still risky to drive it. All the windows work. Back windows work. Yep. Yeah, a lot of stuff done with this. I need some new brake rotors too. These new brake rotors, because the braking is hard in this thing. So brake rotors and brake pads. Get some new springs too. Look at this shit. New springs. He did not take care of this car. Get some new springs and shit. All this shit. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. I don't like that shit. I give her a wash in the back. Bring it to the sun so I can dry. All this rustage. All this loose rust. All that shit. All this loose rust. Let that shit off the car. Get all that shit off. That shit out of there. Other than that, I mean, the side is good. Except the inside. I don't know how the inside is. It'd probably be easy to patch up. Like, the trunk won't open. I think it's jammed or something. The key won't turn or nothing. Something wrong with it.
So the key won't turn?
Yep, key won't turn.
So you can't get in the trunk at all?
Nope. Can't even go shopping this motherfucker. The only way to get in the trunk is...
So we can get a new key for the car trunk, probably, right?
No. The thing is, my client back there, to worry about all that, all the tools and shit. The thing is, I think it's broke or jammed back there. Try to fix that myself. I don't know. Other than that, shit. Get paint job, headlights. Get some headlights in this bitch. I might get the engine clean. I don't know if they can do that, but get the engine clean. What is this for? What the shit? That oil too, good too. I don't know what this for. That right back in there. I can't even shake it that much. That's just right back in there. Yep. All this. All everything. Got the new battery. The engine run pretty good. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV, putting it back to the back. The headlights buzzing on its own. Fuck. There we go. Damn, that it come off? All this dirt down here out. I don't know how, but this can come off. You get this headlight can be like this headlight. This one clean. I'm gonna figure it out. Y'all gonna see a lot of this motherfucker. I'll tell you that. We'll focus y'all next video. I don't know what's next, but shit gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I might make another purchase and let this sit for a little bit. I want to keep content coming in, so I'm making another purchase. I didn't make this purchase, but I'm gonna make a purchase. Ah, fuck. Make another make a purchase an Acura or something. Get an Acura. The remote work, but it don't show no fucking. It don't have no sound. That's locked. Yeah, I'm let it sit for a while. That's everything unlocked. I'm gonna get the key for this too. Key for this. Yeah. See y'all later. God damn. Alright, other than that, that's it. I'm gonna get y'all POV. Drive up to the back. God damn, I can't. I'm too fucking tall for this shit. There we go. See, that's a rough ass start. That shit was rough. I dropped y'all. My fault. All right, let me get y'all back there, man. My finger in the way of shit. y'all, get y'all a little POV. It's not gonna be long because if I take y'all wide out to the city, like I like to take y'all downtown in these type of cars, bro. Nothing fancy, but it'd be a good ass video just to drive around in general. Take y'all to the back, man. I got y'all. Yeah. I don't know if I put in a garage, shop in a garage, or here in the driveway because my uncle on his way back. Get my shit. Backing it up. All right. Yeah, this is where he parked. Actually, I'm just spec him like that. Just spec him my low. The garage fits 2 cars too. I should sweep it. I'm actually sweeping here. I'm gonna sweep in here actually. I'm gonna sweep in here. I don't want to use the house burn though. God damn, I can't park. I'm gonna deal with that later. Actually. I'm gonna sit y'all up right here until park. I don't want y'all to fucking fall. Y'all phone's damn expensive. Y'all should be good. Here I go. I'm a safe game, I promise. Oh, don't worry about that. Shut up. I'm not saying shit coming. Yeah. That's the hard part of parking that car in the garage, G. It should have closed. This motherfucker low key cricket though. Yep, just in here. Got a little parked up. I'm gonna clean the garage up in a minute. I just wanted to park it up and see how it fit. It fit perfect. Don't worry about the lights. It turned off. They will turn off. They will turn off themselves. So in a minute, it's going to turn off. I'll tell you that now. It takes a while. I don't know why, but it do. That shit crazy. I was worried too. I was worried last time, like, how the hell do the lights turn off or not? I was like, do the lights turn off? Y'all go see. Y'all go see. It's gonna take a minute. I'm gonna time and collapse it. Watch. Watch this. Let's go turn it off. It's weird how long it take. These old cars take a long ass time to turn off. This was made 2004. I was born in 2004. And I said, fuck it. I mean, like, come on, bro. Turn it off. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? Yeah, my car could have died. That shit was not turned off at all. I don't know which one's locked. It's locked. Unlocked. Yeah, it's done now. We done. We're done here. Alright, y'all. I'll fuck with y'all, man. Yeah, y'all gonna see way more coming soon. Trust me. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe.